I made you breakfast, fresh coffee and bagels too.
Good morning, everybody. We just finished breakfast and laid the baby down for a nap. We thought we'd show y'all today. We're gonna be putting together a chicken coop. My mom bought Riot or us some baby chicks because she felt like Riot needed his own chickens because he's always trying to play with theirs at their house. And we're settled into our new house and we've got a fenced backyard, so that's what we're going to be showing you guys today. Are you excited, Riot? Mm-hmm. Yeah, and then we're going to go pick up the chicks later after we put the coop together.
All right, so this was sent by Aivituvin, I believe is the name, and they, sent it for us to review to y'all. It's ideal for like small homesteads if you just want a few chickens in there, and we're gonna unbox it, and I'm gonna show y'all from start to finish and try to give y'all a little bit of specifics about it just to show how relatively fast it is. They said that it's pretty simple to assemble and stuff like that. Like the manual has pictures in it and pre-drilled holes and stuff like that. So I'm gonna try my best to give the best reviews about it and see how easy it is.
Oh, that's so pretty. Where'd you find that? Daddy, look.
Oh, you found a flower? Yeah. What color is that flower?
Pink.
Yeah, it is pink. Okay, so we got the manuals right there in front of you.
So everything came nice and protected with styrofoam, and it's all stacked neatly, so all you have to do is just go layer by layer and take everything out. Oh, are you building the styrofoam?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'm doing dirt truck.
Good job. So the manual's nicely organized. It shows you, where, watch out, baby, the nesting box, the coop, and the pen is. It's listed each part with a letter. It's very explanatory. And then this is how the instructions look, step by step. Good job. Take them home?
Yeah. And then some water him.
They're doing good. We're letting them just kind of scratch and peck in the grass for a little bit. Riot can hardly stand it. He wants to hold them the whole time. Got the coop all finished. It looks good.
Yeah, it was actually the manual and stuff. It was good. It described in detail exactly what needs to go where, and then the screws, like they were labeled and stuff. And each set of screws came with one extra screw, so don't think that you missed anything or anything like that. So that's also good, just in case you need to replace one. The coop itself is eco-friendly water-based paint, so that's good for the
Safe,
chicks.
yeah, safe for the chickens.
Safe for the chicks. And the wood, by the way, is actually fir wood. That's what it's made out of.
Yeah.
So, but all in all, it was pretty easy to assemble. And like I said, the manual, if you follow it, it describes exactly what you need to do to put it together.
And the roof is like shingle type material, so we're thinking that will hold up pretty well. That's the kind that we picked out. So anyways, there it is, all finished. It's so cute. This opens up. Well,
It opens up on this side.
yeah, there's their little tray. Watch out, baby, let me see. There's the tray to pull it out. You can put shavings in there.
Little breatheway.
Got him a little window. And then this, I think, opens up too. Right, Josh? Oh. What is this for? Nesting box. Little perches in there. And got some wheels too on it so we can move it easily wherever we need to. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today. Thank y'all so much for watching and supporting us. If you are interested in the chicken coop, we'll have a link in the description box.
All your food.